Instead of building pipelines that constantly break, Minexa.ai lets developers and non-developers define a scraper once and reuse it reliably to scrape real estate listings. Open the Redfin.com page you want to scrape. Minexa.ai reads the full rendered structure automatically. Launch Minexa.ai, one interface to scrape data from any website with ease. Press the button, "I'm on the right page," and Minexa.ai detects how the page loads more data, whether through pages, scrolling, or dynamic updates. Minexa.ai knows how to move through all pages automatically. The navigation was detected and will be applied on every future run. Decide the depth here. List only grabs every item on the results page, while detail pages open and scrape each individual record. Click Continue for straightforward pages. Switch to advanced mode when the site requires actions like selecting options or expanding content first. Minexa.ai has highlighted the detected HTML container. Check and click Create Scraper. If the page layout changes, Minexa will flag it with an error instead of pulling wrong data. Every detected field is visible. Select from the list or click directly on the page to choose what to extract, such as prices, addresses, bedrooms, and availability dates. Click API Request to get a Python request you can reuse across different projects without changing the extraction logic. Validate and complete the configuration by clicking Complete Configuration to save your scraper and make it ready to run anytime. All pages are set. Your scraper will collect everything across the full result set on every run, including pagination if available. Click to create your job. Everything else here is optional, but worth a look if you want automated or scheduled extraction. Click Run. Each run executes over a stable scraper configuration, not a retrained model, ensuring consistent results. Every row in this dataset is a confirmed match. If a page looked different from what was trained, Minexa.ai returned an error instead of mixing in wrong data. You can see typical data points like rental prices, addresses, bedrooms, bathrooms, and listing dates clearly organized for easy analysis and reporting. Click Export. The file is ready immediately for anyone to open, whether technical or not. One scraper, built once, running forever. That is what Minexa.ai gives you for any website you want to extract data from.